In question 1 for Unit 16, we start out by looking at 10 bets, each one of which may end up in our winning or losing up to $100. Here we'll keep track of the number of bets. Here we have the result of any one bet. That's a random number. The range is from -100 to 100. That's a range of 200. And the low end of the range is -100. We'll format that to look like money. And then drag down to get 10 possible results. Notice that in some of these cases we lose money, and in some we win. Overall, how did the 10 bets work out? We started out neither ahead nor behind. After each bet, we simply add or subtract the amount listed here. And since the losses are listed as negative amounts, we can always just add and the negative amounts will automatically be subtracted. So after each bet, our total winnings or losings are what they were before, with the addition of one new result. If we lose $76, we're $76 behind. Adding on the next result, we see that if we lose 89 and then 27, we're 117 in the hole. So one possible result of making 10 bets of this kind is that we lose a total of 157.18. Hitting F9, we see some other possible results. We might win $90, win $137, and so on. Now let's compare this, as the problem suggests, with 100 bets, each one of which ends up in our winning or losing up to $10. Notice that the best and worst possible results in both of these cases are the same. The best thing that can happen to us here is that we win $100 each of 10 times for a total of 1,000. If we make 100 bets of $10 each and win all of them, again we win $1,000. So here are our calculations. We're going to drag this all the way down eventually to 100. Each bet ends in our winning or losing a random amount. The range is from -10 to +10, or 20, and the low end of the range is 10. We'll format this to look like money. Drag down, and then start a running total of our winnings and losings. After each bet, we take our total so far and add on the new result. Now we can drag this all the way down to 100 and see what the results look like. At the end of 100 bets, we might win $80, lose $100, win 62, and so on. Now let's try to summarize to see what the difference is between the two possibilities. I'll hit F9 a number of times, first looking here for the lowest possible number. 131, 300, 160, 200. So it looks that the low end of the range here is $200 to $300 as a loss. We could do the same for the top end, but of course, since we have an equal chance of winning and losing, it's about the same. Now let's compare here. What's the lowest number we get to? 118 is the lowest I see so far. It seems that the low end here is almost never lower than 100. So here's the difference. In both cases, we could win or lose up to $1,000. But here, we actually have quite a good chance of winning or losing $200. Whereas, in this case, making many, many bets, each of them smaller, we tend to have a final result in a smaller range. We rarely win or lose more than $100.